Hey friends, today what we're going to do is we're going to practice representing multiplication a little bit more. And so just as a reminder, this is a picture of an array. So we have the rows and we have, let me get my pen going here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. And we look at the columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's where our numbers come from, and those numbers are called factors. And then the answer of a multiplication sentence is the product. So we have this 5 times 6 equals 30. Let's practice a little bit with pumpkins. So we have over here, we have 4 times 2. Let's see what that equals. So we have, double check, we have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 columns in each row. So we have, that's where our numbers and our factors come from. So if we count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, we will know that that 4 times 2 equals 8. Let's look at this pumpkin. Over here we have 2 rows, 1, 2, of 1 column. So we have 2 times 1. And when anything times 1 is itself, right? Remember that? So 2 times 1 equals 2 times 1 equals 2. Let's practice a few more. How many rows? 1, 2 times how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 times 6, count them up, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Remember that 2 trick, you just double that number 6, okay? Down here we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 rows of 1, 2, 3 sets of pumpkins. So if we count by 3, 3 times 3, 6, 9. It equals 9. And then over here we have, let's try it again, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows of 1, 2, 3 pumpkins. And if we count by 3, 4 times, let's do it. 3, 6, 9, 12. We would get 12 as our product. You can describe a situation for the expression 5 times 9. We're going to use the definition of multiplication. Step 1, we're going to identify the meaning of what 5 times 9 is. So 5 and 9 are factors. Remember that? They can, I'm going to circle that word, factors. They can mean 5 groups of 9 objects each. Echo that. 5 groups of 9 objects each. I'm going to also underline that word groups and objects. So 5 groups of 9. The value of 5 times 9 is 45. The value can mean there are 45 objects in all. Step 2, you can think of a real-world situation. For example, there are 5 baseball teams with 9 players on each team. There are 45 players in all. So the solution is that the total number of players on the baseball teams, each with 9 players, matches the expression 5 times 9. The value of the expression 45 matches the total number of players. So in our story problem, we're going to circle those important numbers and we're going to underline those keywords in all, okay? And typically we remember that in all tells us to add, but it can also tell us to multiply. So just as an example, I just wanted to show you what this would look like. So if we have 5 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, can you imagine those 5 baseball teams? Okay, and they're all standing in a row and they have 9 players on each team. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each of these teams would have 9 players. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just want to double check that one. 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 9 players in each of those rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To give us 5 times 9, which equals 45. All right, friends, you're doing awesome this week. I'm so proud of how great you're multiplying. Why don't you go ahead into Schoology and practice a few problems there. Bye.